taking a week off last week was amazing. Like, obviously much needed. Just gotta listen to your body. The amount of training I was doing, the volume I was putting in, couldn't keep up with it. So that week's rest after overtraining, now coming back into it. 2 days ago was my first day back and literally felt absolutely amazing. Feeling super strong. My runs have been back on point. Like I said, last week, I got to a point where I couldn't even run a quarter mile and I was completely gassed, completely fucked up. Happy to be back at it, I'll tell you that much. Missed the gym. Last week, we launched Blue Frost, guys. So if you haven't tried this bad boy out, definitely need to jump on it. It's not like our other fruity flavors. So we brought Blue Frost to the table to give it kind of that sour kick. We needed, Blue Frost is a killer. Rave reviews already. We've already sold through half of our inventory, so definitely check it out, pick it up before we're out of stock. I'm hoping we'll still have some available for Black Friday, but it's not looking good. What's up, man? How are you, brother?
All right. Moment of truth. That's good. It's almost like a blueberry bubblegum. That's really good. That's good.
Fuck, I need to take mine. So tell them what we're working on.
We're doing arms today. We're gonna get after it. We're gonna do you have BFR bands?
BFRs with pump action?
Oh yeah.
Oh, this will be a first.
It's painful and exhilarating and just the best pump you'll ever have.
Everything is twofold. What's joy is pain on the other hand. And what happens when the one that you love is the main cause of your suffering? Give me all of your lies, 'cause you're my demon in disguise. I learned to love the cage you keep.
We're starting off with high reps, just to get blood flowing into the muscles. 30 reps per set. We're using the prime attachment. This thing's gnarly. If you guys haven't used this, like, I'm all about using unique equipment. Like, sticking the basics and getting a solid foundation is important, but we can switch things up and use equipment like this, where it challenges you. You have all these mobility pieces. You have to contract your muscles. You have to maintain good form in order to keep the bar balanced and everything. These things are fucking amazing.
But the walls keep closing in, and I don't wanna die. But your poison feels so right. Why do I want you when you're bad for me? My perfect storm, my beautiful catastrophe. My perfect storm, my beautiful catastrophe.
Moving on, exercises. Look at the man behind the camera. Check him out. Joey.
I don't know what to do.
Making the magic happen. We're going to be putting on BFRs, so blood flow restriction bands. When we put these on, they need to be tight. It needs to feel uncomfortable. The whole point is to trap blood, let blood flow in without letting it leave. So you're trapping in the nutrients, all the metabolites, all the important minerals in the blood, because in the muscles, because as you're working out, you're tearing down your muscles. You need those nutrients and other metabolites in there to help repair the muscle tissue, but also help it grow. So they should be tight enough to where it is a little bit painful, and you are gonna see some discoloration, like that's normal. You want it to be uncomfortable. It shouldn't feel loose at all.
Yeah. Ooh, let's go. Wait, hold up, Q. Yeah, feel like I'm at the tippy top of my game, looking down at the rafters. I had to son these boys, can't leave them bastards. A lot of dudes, just some undercover actors. I don't fall for it, I'm privy to all your tactics. Yeah, so try again. This time take a vitamin. Yeah, invite them in. Welcome to the Lion's Den. And I'm Mufasa, big boss in charge of coming in like a bull. You see me raising the stock up. Yeah. So baby, you gonna need some patience.
Like Karl said, there's no better feeling than taking off the fucking BFR bands.
Just one better feeling.
Only one better feeling out there. But dude, there's also no better pump. God damn. Arms significant. You'll see a significant difference immediately following. Like your pump will dissipate after time, but that initial fucking size increase. Beautiful.
Bueno.
Confidence, yeah. It really shouldn't be no arguments, cause you're now viewing the greatest of all time. Saying I can't get better, I promise they all lying on my confidence. Yeah, that's right. Look.
We're gonna finish up BFRs, 5 sets. First one's 30, 15, 15, 15, 15. We're done.
That's right. Confidence, yeah. Confidence. That's me. Hold up. Yeah. I'm sorry if I stutter. Yeah, my brain move a little faster than others. Yeah, I even keep a close eye on my brothers, cause sometimes it's your blood that turn into blood suckers. Yeah.
This is what we're gonna do. This Karl's in the vlog for our workout video. Now I'm tossing out the challenge that he has to take. We're going back to military push-ups. So 2 minutes, as many reps as you can do. 2 minutes, all the way down, past the 90 degree, all the way to lockout position. All right, we're gonna see who has the most. Who wants to go first? You can go first. All right, you're gonna count forward. That's it. Oh my God, dude.
Like I'm on my tiptoes, baby. You think a little too small. I got big goals, baby. Ain't where the money at? Look, I just need the info. Pronto, I gotta get it and split it with my kinfolk daily. And I'ma change my number on you. Yeah, that's how you react when people took a slumber on you. Pretty brown skin, baby. I can see the summer on you. You see all the bread, and I know it make you wonder, don't you? Oh, I ain't surprised at all. Seen them rise and fall. When up and down, it wasn't hard to climb at all. At the top, I found some relief. I finally got some peace. Carry on, but please don't mess up the mood. Yeah, I worked too hard for it. Now I need to be it.
36, 37,
I worked too hard
48.
for it.
Oh, come on.
Please don't mess up the mood.
50.
Don't mess up the mood.
That one counted. I don't know. 51.
I worked too hard for it.
Ah, you got it.
55.
Alright.
Who won?
Huh?
Who won?
I don't know. I don't even think half of Karl's counted, you know? I think he wasn't going all the way down. He wasn't locking out.
Oh, excuses. Excuses.
He won. He won. Social media post. I will screenshot it
That's right.
after I post it. Fuck.
At least it'd be a little bit more honest.
It's been a while, man. It's been a while. That was brutal,
Look at the
man.
difference here. Look at the difference.
I guess that's true. He probably did 100 push-ups. He's got more distance to travel. Tomorrow, we're linking up with the elites. We're going to be heading out to the range, double tap range. We're going to be doing some shooting out there. Super stoked. So we'll see you guys out there tomorrow.
Yeah. Ooh, let's go. Wait. Hold on, Q. Yeah, feel like I'm at the tippy top of my game, looking down at the rafters. I had to sun these boys, can't leave them bastards. A lot of dudes, just some undercover actress. I don't fall for it, I'm privy to all your tactics. Yeah, so try again, this time take a vitamin. Yeah, invite them in, welcome to the Lion's Den. And I'm Mufasa, big boss in charge of coming in like a bull. You see me raising the stock up, yeah. So baby, you gon' need some patience. I already won, now I'm just making a statement, Damn, baby, why your mans keep hating? You asking about the cake, you here for the celebrations? And I ain't fishing, I ain't really into baiting. I know they all wish I took away they made it. in, but sorry I'm taking me and my lady mating. She looked me in the eyes and tell me how much she loving on my confidence. Yeah, it really shouldn't be no arguments, cause you're now viewing the greatest of all time, saying I can't get better. I promise they all lying on my confidence. Yeah, that's right. Look, I think it's time you start using your common sense. Everybody watch out, cause the bomb is lit. I got that confidence, that's right.
So we're out here at Double Tap Range, got the UXO team out here, release some aggression, take out some tension on some steel targets, and you know, we got some skilled shooters. It's a fun time getting the team together, just out here having fun, shooting targets. It's about bonding. It's about that camaraderie, yeah. So getting the team together. Guys, we appreciate you tuning in. So please check out the company UXO Supplements. Like and subscribe, follow for more great content. Appreciate you.
Everything, I make all the fixings, yeah. They come a long way from where they come up missing. I blame it on my